It's of increased importance to businesses to have an effective resilience strategy in place because customers are facing ever-changing challenges. If we look at most recent events, for example, things like ransomware attacks, DDoS attacks, any sort of cyber-security issue that customers are facing can mean that they're having to invoke disaster recovery or just recover from backups immediately in order to protect their business. It's important for businesses to have backup and DR strategies in place for a multitude of reasons. Most people think of disaster recovery as losing an entire comms room or data center and having to fail over their entire business. But of late, we've seen customers coming to us with scenarios where a simple patch on an application has actually caused their entire business to go down, and they're requiring immediate recovery of that application in order to continue to serve their customers. The difference between backup and disaster recovery in Node 4 world is the difference between us just keeping a copy of customers' data, so whether that is just individual files right through to entire virtual machine platforms, or for disaster recovery services, customers are challenging us to be able to fail over from on-premise into cloud, between cloud locations, or sometimes even between cloud providers. At Node 4, we have many different options available for both backup and disaster recovery. Customers come to us with requirements to reduce their recovery point, recovery times for recovering from simple loss of virtual machine or loss of file, right through to full disaster recovery where they're failing over between on-premise and cloud, between cloud locations for multiple data centers, and now most recently between cloud providers. We have solutions in place for individual file recovery, individual virtual machine recovery. We use hypervisor level snapshots, we use storage level snapshots, and we also use replication onto private storage to suit most of our customers' needs. Customers come to us with many different challenges and many different ways that they want to consume the service. Some customers are interested in being able to recover their own files, some customers want to recover their own virtual machines, and some customers want to be able to trigger their own disaster recovery event in the event that something happens on premise.